Here at Stereo Installs, the foundation of every system we do is definitely the source unit. At the center of this build is the Kenwood Excelon 1050XR direct fit replacement for Chryslers, Dodges, and Jeeps. The 10-inch high-definition display gives the driver a large, clean interface that's easy to use while driving. The floating design allows us to position it perfectly in the dash, keeping everything ergonomical and factory looking. But what really sets this unit apart is control. You get advanced sound tuning, clean high voltage 5-volt outputs, and the ability to properly dial in the system so everything works together. When customers ask why their system doesn't sound right, the answer usually starts at the source. And this head unit gives us the clean signal and tuning flexibility needed for a high performance build all the way from the front to the back of the car. One of the most important parts of this build was design and fitment. Instead of using a preloaded subwoofer enclosure, we designed and built a custom enclosure cut in-house on our CNC machine. Preloaded boxes are built to fit many vehicles, but not your vehicle. With a custom enclosure, we're able to do a few things. Number one is maximize usable space. Number two is design the correct air volume for the subwoofers. Number three is match the factory interior carpet to the enclosure. And fourth, eliminate rattles and poor mounting. The result is an enclosure that looks factory, fits perfectly, and performs exactly the way that it should. Inside the enclosure are two of the new Memphis Audio Mojo 12-inch subwoofers that have selectable ohm between 1 and 2 with just a switch of a button. And these are chosen for a real reason. These subs are designed to move a lot of air while staying controlled. They deliver deep, hard-hitting bass, but more importantly, they stay musical. That means tight, low notes, clean impact, and bass that blends with the rest of the system instead of overpowering it. Selectable ohm impedance also lets us wire the system correctly for the amplifiers, which means better efficiency, better control, and overall better sound. To power the system, we installed two M2500 DD Audio mono subwoofer amplifiers, one dedicated per sub, each getting 2500 watts at 1 ohm. To keep everything balanced and easy to control, we added DD Audio ZVL multi-amp sync module. This allows both amplifiers to be controlled by one bass knob, giving the driver smooth, even control without any mismatch output. When you run high-powered amplifiers, proper electrical support is critical. We installed an excess power Max 67 battery to stabilize voltage, protect the vehicle's electrical system, and ensure critical, consistent performance, even when the system is pushed super hard. The final result is a clean, factory-looking install with serious bass output, proper electrical support, and a system that's designed to last. This is the difference between throwing parts in a vehicle and building a system the right way. Now let's listen to this bad mofo. This is what it's all about. We're here to listen to this right now. If you're thinking about upgrading your Jeep or any vehicle and you want it designed, built, and installed correctly, give us a call at 440-525-2001 extension number 7. Come visit us at our shop right down the road at 7471 Tyler Boulevard, Unit B in beautiful Mentor, Ohio. If you enjoy this content and you want more videos like this, smash that like and give us a subscription, baby. StereoInstalls.com, StereoInstalls.com, StereoInstalls.com. Who's up next?
Hey, I just went by to watch with a whole lot of diamonds to show all these niggas is my